I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds.
What's going on, guys? This is Sean with MTC. Welcome back to my channel, and to new viewers out there, as always, welcome, guys. I know it's a little bit of a different setting, but I wanted to get out of my room and change things up a bit, just for at least this video. But we have a very, very special one for you guys today. Something that I would even go to say marks a pretty big milestone for this channel and for myself. So a few weeks back, I reached out to a company called Summit UK, and if you guys don't know, I've raved about their pieces and their brand. Over on my Instagram story, you know, in the summertime, I was living in their ribbed shorts and the crinkle nylon shorts, and that's another reason why you guys should be following me over at Instagram at MTC MVMT. I always tell you that's where I give you guys the sneak peek behind my recent pickups, just the things I've been vibing with recently, and just the daily vlogs and the stories. So guys, if you want to be a part of that, make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram, and I would truly appreciate it. So I reached out to them in regards to the trip I'm taking out to Montana next week, which I kind of hinted at in my last week's video, but I thought it would be a cool opportunity for us to work on a cool little project together. So they were super kind enough to send out a package for me, which I'll be sharing with you guys today. But next week in my vlogs, I will be featuring these pieces in there, so you guys will see that in the next coming weeks, but I will tell you guys more about it on my Instagram channel, so make sure you guys follow me over there again. But yeah, today will be an unboxing video, but I say that this marks a pretty big milestone for this channel and for myself, not because of the reason you guys are probably thinking. Of course, the free clothes is really nice, don't get me wrong, but it's more so that there's a brand out there, a big brand like Summit UK, who's on the rise, that believes in what we have created here, the community that we have created here, the positive environment that we have created on this channel. They believe us enough to send out some packages so we could work together. So I mean, ever since I even thought about starting a YouTube channel or even my fashion Instagram, I've always dreamt of working together with a brand on projects like this one. So it's a huge moment for me, and I know it's all thanks to you guys. You guys make this possible, because all of the support and the love you guys are showing this channel. So whenever I thank you guys and whenever I say I appreciate you guys, you guys have no idea what that means to me, and Summit UK probably doesn't even realize how big this moment is for me. So I truly want to thank both the Summit UK and also you guys watching right now, and always sharing this video, liking the videos, and always showing up and showing love in the comments. So I don't want to get too carried away, because you guys came to see an unboxing, or I guess you could say presenting, of these pieces, of the Summit UK pieces. So let's get straight into it. So if you guys are as nearly as excited as I am, make sure you guys scroll down, take some time to click that thumbs up button down below. You guys know the deal, it goes a long way in helping out this channel. But guys, let's get into it with the first piece. So there are a total of 4 pieces that they sent out to me. That's definitely more than I expected. I expected 2 to 3, but we will start with the first piece, which is this right here. It's called their Polar Flight track pants, and it's just in this black colorway, and it's kind of like a nylon track pants, something really simple. It has that adjustable bottom, so you can kind of play around with how it fits around your shoes. Very lightweight, it's going to be super comfortable, and I think this is going to be the perfect pant to travel in. I do have a long layover in Denver, I believe, so this will be perfect. Like I said, it's going to be comfortable, and I think from the way I see it, it's going to fit a little bit on the looser side for me, which is perfect, because I've been recently getting into looser fitting pants. So this is perfect with some metal hardware. I really like the details of this, but yeah, super simple, basic piece that everybody could use in their wardrobe. And I think because it's black, I can go with a lot of different things that I already own, and of course, as you guys see in the back, it'll go with a lot of things that they have sent out to me. So I could even create a whole fit with the things that they sent out. So awesome first piece to begin with. So this is the, I think that it's called the Polar Flight track pants, and I got it in a size medium. Now moving on to the next 2 pieces. They're the same item, but it just comes in a different colorway. So I will share with you guys this one first. It's what they call the vintage sweatshirt. It's just a crewneck sweatshirt. This is in the glacier green colorway. I would describe it more of as a mint green, but it has that vintage wash to it, and you guys know how I feel about vintage washed pieces. It looks phenomenal out the bag, and every time you wash it, it just comes out looking even better. So I love that about it. And it has that raglan style to it, which really helps with the fit. That ribbed collar, of course. And when they announced that this color was releasing in their hooded sweatshirt and also their crewneck sweatshirt on their Instagram, I was super excited because I really like this color, and it's not something I own, and I definitely don't have it in any crewneck sweatshirts, and I'm getting into crewneck sweatshirts a lot lately too, so it's awesome to have. It's a really good addition to my wardrobe. And yeah, this color is simple enough. It's a muted mint green that will go with like a lot of different things I already own, so that's perfect, works out really well. But this is the second piece. I really liking this one. And like I said, the third piece is the same one. It's that same vintage sweatshirt, the crewneck sweatshirt, but this one is in the taupe brown colorway. I would describe it as like an olive green, which is a perfect color for the fall season going into winter, and I love wearing olive green. Like, a lot of people don't realize how versatile this color is. It goes well with so many different things like black, navy, any neutral colors you could definitely rock this with. Same thing, the raglan style sweatshirt, the thick ribbed collar, which I love, and this one has even more of that vintage wash feel to it just because it's a darker shade. So I love how that looks, and I know every time I wash it, it's gonna be phenomenal. So I'm super excited for this one, and they sent out two great colors that's gonna be a great addition to my wardrobe, something that's gonna go really well with a lot of different things I have. I know I keep repeating that, but that's like one big thing that I look for every time I shop or every time I make an addition to my wardrobe, is just how well is it going to work with other pieces that I have, so that you wear more and more. So super excited for these crewneck sweatshirt, and yeah, you really can't go wrong with crewneck sweatshirts, especially this time of the year. Coming down to our last and final piece, this one I was super surprised that they actually sent out to me, and on the other hand, I was surprised how they got this to fit into that package that I received. But nonetheless, it's what they call the heavyweight flannel, and this piece is gorgeous, guys. I am so excited about this one. I will show you guys a close-up B-roll of this, but the feel of it is just amazing. And when they say a heavyweight flannel, they absolutely mean it. Like, it's a good weight, and it's gonna keep you warm for sure, which will work out super well for me because I'll be going out to Montana and it'll be colder than it is here. So I'm super excited to have this. And the color, let's talk about the color and how it pops. Like, I just love like the mixture of the red and the blue and the cream. Like, when I'm taking pictures out there, this is for sure going to pop and it's going to stand out, and I can't wait to share that with you guys on my Instagram. But yeah, it has that drop shoulder look to it, so it's gonna fit a little bit oversized, but it'll be a perfect top layering piece, like on top of like a hooded sweatshirt or even their crewneck sweatshirt. And like red too, it is pretty versatile because you can match it with any other neutral colors, like black for example. Like the track pants, I could definitely pair it up with this one. But yeah, it's a good weight. I'm really liking it. I just love the way it feels. Like, you guys got to see it, and I wish you guys could reach through the screen and feel this with me. But yeah, it looks really good. Definitely high quality. The weight is there. Oh man, I can't wait to style this and start putting together outfits. And that is gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, always let me know by clicking that thumbs up button down below. You guys know the deal. It goes a long way in helping out this community and this channel, and I would truly appreciate it. And comment down below which one of these pieces is your favorite. Have you ever tried Summit UK, or are you looking forward to doing so now? Let's get connected and let's converse about it. And make sure you guys do me a favor and go over to Summit UK and show them some love for allowing us to do this. Whether it's on their Instagram page, go follow them, like their pictures, comment on their pictures, or if you want to pick up some pieces of your own, I promise you will not be disappointed with the products that they offer. I will make sure to link them down below so you guys can definitely check them out. And guys, follow me over on Instagram for all the reasons that I've stated in this video. I'm going to be putting together some fire fit pics with these items, and you guys are going to want to keep up with me when I'm traveling out to Montana, so it'll be a good place to do that. So make sure you follow me over on Instagram at MTCMVMT. And with all that out of the way, if you guys watch this video all the way to the last bit, you guys know I love each and every single one of you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.